In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Classroom in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 computer. In the address bar or search box, type Google Classroom login and hit enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official Google Classroom sign-in link. It should clearly show that it's a Google page. Click that link to proceed. When the Classroom sign-in page opens, click the Sign In button. If you're prompted to choose an account, select the one you use for school or work. If a welcome message or a brief pop-up appears, simply click Continue or Got it to move forward. These pop-ups are normal and just confirm you're ready to use Classroom. With Classroom open in your browser, we'll install it as an app so it behaves like a native program on Windows 11. Go to the very top right corner of your browser and click the three dots menu. In that menu, scroll until you find the section that includes options like Cast, Save and Share, or Apps, depending on your browser. Within that area, you should see an option that says Install Google Classroom or something very similar. Click Install Google Classroom. A small confirmation window will pop up, letting you know that Classroom will be installed as an app. This gives you a cleaner window without the browser address bar and makes it easier to find later. Click Install on that pop-up. After a moment, Google Classroom will open in its own window, and Windows may add shortcuts automatically. To locate it later, go to your Windows 11 Start menu. Open Start, then either look under your list of apps or type Classroom into the search bar. You can also find a desktop or taskbar shortcut if your browser created one during installation. If you use multiple devices, remember that you can search for the app the same way on each device's search bar. On Windows, use the Start search, and on a Mac, use the System search to locate the installed Classroom app. If you don't see the install option in your browser, make sure you're on the official Classroom page and that you're using a browser that supports installing sites as apps, like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. That's it. You've installed Google Classroom on your Windows 11 PC or laptop, and you're ready to access your classes quickly from the app window anytime.